Are just too weird. Oh no, Birdie, that's yucky. Birdie, that's so yucky. That's so yucky, Birdie. You're terrible. Stop, Birdie, stop, Happy, stop. That's disgusting. That's disgusting, Birdie. That is. That's really nasty. That's nasty, Happy. I mean, it's good that Mama scooped in there a bit, but still, that's nasty. That's not your sandbox. That's not where your pellets are. You're supposed to do that in your sandbox. Supposed to do that in Birdie's stand. It's on Birdie's toys, not on Kitty's. You're crazy. You're so weird. What do? Are you jealous of Kitty? Are you jealous of the kitty? Are you? Are you jealous of Kitty? Are you jealous of Kitty? Say hi. 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 No, say hi. No, say hi. And why is it so dark when there's so much light? You're weird. You're a weird bird. You're a weird bird. Yes, you are. You're a weirdo. Well, you're weird. You don't go in the kitty litter box. No, you don't. Oh, should we say bye-bye then? Bye-bye? Say thank you. Thank you. Or should I pause? Now how do I get this thing back and focused again? It's not helping. There it goes. What you gonna do with that? What you gonna do? Not again. Not again, Birdie. That's so yucky. Ew. Why do you like Kitty's litter box so much? That's icky poo. That's icky poo, Birdie. That's icky poo. Let's try moving Kitty stuff. Take a bath. Yeah, you're gonna need to take a bath. You're a dirty bird. You're a dirty bird. You need to wash your face and your feet because you were in the kitty box. Yeah, you better buff your beak. You better clean your beak. Clean your beak. Clean your beak. Yep, there's your ball. Play ball. What you gonna do now? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? We're gonna have to put you away pretty soon. Mama's gonna get ready for work. Mama's gonna have to get ready for work soon. Yeah. Mama's gotta go to work soon. Tap, tap, tap. Yeah, you're supposed to play in your box, not in the kitty's litter. I'm gonna have to block off the kitty box. Do I have to block off the kitty's litter box? Huh? Do I? Do I have to block off Kitty's box? Maybe I should. Maybe I should block off Kitty's box. That's Kitty's poo-poo box. You don't go playing in Kitty's poo-poo box. Here comes the kitty. Be a good boy. Play with your own stuff. Don't bother Kitty. Kitty gonna try to say hi. Nope. Kitty wants to play. Kitty wants to play, but you gotta play nice. You gotta play nice with the kitty. You're a dirty bird. You know that? You're a dirty bird. Are you cleaning your beak? Here, you need to clean your beak. Clean your beak. Clean your beak with that. Clean it. Clean your beak off. Clean your beak. Clean your beak. You're just going to go back and work. But the icky. You need a bath. You need a bath. Yeah, you need a bath if you're going to keep doing that. Now, Mama going to have to block off the litter box. Yeah, she's gonna have to block it off. Dig, dig, dig. Can you dig with your feet too? Can you dig with your feet too? Huh? Go scratch, scratch, scratch. Scratch, scratch, tap, 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 tap. Is that your hideout? Is that your hideout? You're Heidi? You're Heidi. Yeah, you're Heidi. Look. Those are kitty things. Those are the kitties things. Yeah, those are kitties things. Uh-oh, what's he gonna do? Now that's kitty's water. That's the kitty's water. You're not gonna try kitty's water again? Yeah, that's not yours. No, that's not yours either. That's kitty's. Yeah, those are your toys. Those are birdie toys. Where are you going? Up, he's gonna quit. Okay. We'll try to pause again unless it's gonna be it because I have to put him away. Yeah, it's gonna be bye-bye time. Maybe we should stop.